So guys, this is Orubi. Guys, this is Orubi. This is the market, Orubi market by the left there. So we are heading to Owerri from Orubi, MBAITOLI local government to Owerri local government. You know, Owerri and MBAITOLI have a boundary. From Owerri North, Amakohia, you will enter MBAITOLI local government area. From Akwakoma, you will join and enter Ubomini. Ubomini is in MBAITOLI local government. So this is the filling stations here. We are going down now. We are going to Owerri local government from MBAITOLI. This is how this side now look like. If it's your first time to see my video, please make sure you do like, comment and share. If it's not your first time, please share this video. Share it so that others can still see this video. So we are heading to Owerri now. From MBAITOLI local government, we are going to Owerri. Because from MBAITOLI here, you will enter Owerri North, Amakohia side. So we are entering Owerri North now. We are going to Owerri from MBAITOLI local government. This is how this side now look like. Everywhere is clean along the road and everywhere is busy. So guys, please share it to our brothers, sisters that are far, people that are not in Nigeria, people that are not in the States. So guys, please share this video. It means a lot. It will be more encouragement for me and my team to continue showing you how the Imo and the Owerri and all the local governments looks like. So guys, right here we are heading now to Owerri local government from MBAITOLI. So I'm showing you the road that links to Owerri from MBAITOLI local government. We started from the market there at Orubi Police Junction, going down straight to Owerri North, Owerri local government. So guys, this is how this side look like. We are still going. We are at Ubomini, a village in MBAITOLI. This is their market. We are at Ubomini market now. If you are familiar with this place, drop your comment. Tell us when last you came here, when last you saw this place. This is how it looks like now. See the weather everywhere now is beautiful. This is the market. You know, we are on the road. You have to be careful videoing and driving. So guys, this is Ubomini market. We have passed Ubomini market, then going down. We are going down. We are almost heading to Akwakoma. That's the Owerri North, because this is the road that leads to Owerri to Ubomini, and also you enter Olu. This is also Olu Road. If you are familiar with this road, this is Olu Road too. From this road, from Akwakoma Junction, you head down to MBAITOLI local government area side. You will first pass the army checkpoint along the road at Ubomini. Then you enter MBAITOLI local government. Then the next is Olu local government. So this is the church, the Catholic church along the road at Ubomini by the right when you are coming down from Orubi, MBAITOLI heading to Owerri local government. This is a Catholic church here by the right. You can see it here. If you're familiar with this place, please drop a comment for us. We appreciate your comment and your share. So guys, this is what we put up today to show you how this place now look like, how the environment is. Our brothers, our sisters that are not around, those in diaspora, please, this is your home. This is MBAITOLI. So we are at Rochas Markets now. This is Rochas Markets. When heading down to Akwakoma, this is Rochas Markets. So we just passed Rochas Market. Now you see a lot of filling station here, left and right. So this is a hotel here by the right when heading down to Akwakoma Junction. We are closing into Akwakoma Junction. This is a filling station here. So guys, this is how this place now look like. If it's your first or not your first, please comment. For seeing this video, guys, please comment for our hard work to cover this video on this road. So guys, we are at Akwakoma Junction right now. we are in Amakohia Junction. This is Amakohia Junction. This is the filling station there. This is the Amakohia Junction. Very nice place. You can see this is Amakohia Junction. So we passed Amakohia Junction. Now this is still Amakohia. So we are heading to Amakohia to Amakohia FLYOVER. So now we are in Owerri. This is Owerri North. We are in Owerri now. Amakohia is inside Owerri. Amakohia is in Owerri North local government. So guys, we are in Owerri now. So where we will stop? We will stop at the Amakohia FLYOVER. Stopping at Amakohia FLYOVER. So if it's your first time, please comment, please share this video. I really appreciate you guys for your support. So guys, this is the Amakohia Secondary School, Girls Secondary School, Amakohia, by the left here. When you are coming down from MBAITOLI, if you pass Amakohia Junction, the next school you will see the Amakohia Girls. This is the school premises. So we are heading to Amakohia. It's close here to Amakohia. We are heading now to Amakohia FLYOVER. So there is where we will stop. Now we are in Owerri. If you know this place, drop your comment. This is Owerri. This is Owerri. This is Owerri. Everywhere here is clean and beautiful. So not only inside Owerri is beautiful, there is also local government like MBAITOLI roads that are beautiful, Olu roads, and I heard that they finish Mbise road. It's also beautiful. One day I will go to that Mbise road and show you guys. So guys, this is it. This is the FLYOVER at Amakohia. This is Owerri North. This refugees dustbin they are parking their governor, please warn them. They should stop parking those dustbin there. Thank you guys for watching. I really love you guys. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your comments. See you in my next video.